I went to the local farmer's market, and typically when I go, I bring two things. I bring good intentions and I bring cash. But what happens when I leave is that I'm usually overwhelmed, so I come home empty-handed, or I buy everything, fill my refrigerator, and all the food just rots. But this time I went with a game plan. I was on the hunt for some of these purple beauties. Not only are they in season, and I knew that many of the vendors were going to have them, so I can pick the best of the bunch, but the most important reason is because my daughter will eat them. If I can find a vegetable that my daughter will eat, that I can also pack for her lunch, it is a home run in my book. So today, I'm going to make a roasted eggplant hummus that will be great for my daughter's lunchbox and for a crowd. Step is just to cut up the eggplant, about 1.5 pounds of it. You're just going to put it on a roasting pan, super easy. You're going to add a little bit of olive oil. You're going to then just salt and pepper them, just like that. And then you're going to pop them in the oven at 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. She got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. So now the eggplant's all done, it's cooled, so all we're gonna do is just start making the dip. You're gonna throw everything into the Cuisinart, which is absolutely by far one of my favorite kitchen essentials. And to that, you're gonna add 1 can of rinsed cannellini beans, along with 2 cloves of garlic, the juice of 1 lemon, parsley, dried or fresh, whatever you have, and a couple shakes of salt and pepper for flavor. And then you're gonna start the mixer up and really let it whirl as you're adding about 1/3 cup of olive oil until the mixture is super creamy. So now it's all pureed, so the last step is just to taste it. I happen to have some cut up peppers here, so we're just gonna taste it to see if we need to adjust the seasoning. And it's delicious. So now all I'm gonna do is just fill a couple of these small Tupperware containers, put them in the fridge so my daughter, when she makes her lunch, she can just grab and go. If you're going to serve it for a crowd, you can just cut up some vegetables. You can put up some pita chips. Really, the list is endless. So enjoy. See, cooking healthy isn't hard. You just need to know a few basic skills and have some flawsome in your kitchen. And the good news is that you can get both by clicking right here to subscribe.